Over 2000 years ago, when Jesus walked this earth, one thing about him that stood out was his compassion for people. Wherever he went, people were given a hope and a future. If anyone is thirsty, let him come to me and drink. He was the river of life. He restored the leper. He offered hope to the prisoner. He cared for little children. His actions were to show that the kingdom of God had arrived. We at Sahara, a name that translates to mean a refuge, help and support, endeavor to carry that on. Based in the city of Mumbai, a bustling strip of land in which the nation's richest and poorest jostle for space to realize their dreams. Sahara Charitable Society was established in the year 1994. Its aim being love in action. From street children to schooling, prisoners to lepers, teacher training to adult literacy, at Sahara Charitable Society, our desire is to continue with the Master's compassion. With the need so vast, what better way than help shape the new generation through non-formal pre-primary school? Railroad. A railway station is the setting for this center. The physical surroundings here almost suggest that there is no hope for anyone who lives here. Yet, it is a place full of life. On a bridge above the tracks, in a small cramped hut, around 35 children gather daily to sing songs of hope. Another batch of around 10 children are those who have passed out from here, attend regular school and are tutored in the afternoons. The teachers are constantly in touch with the community and care for their needs. Dharavi. In arguably Asia's largest slum, Sahara runs a day center for around 45 children. Songs, storytelling, writing are among the main activities. The center also provides all the children with a meal during the day. Vasai Road. Approximately 45 to 50 children are daily cared for here. This being a slum colony of tribals, Sahara distributes clothes as well as helps the people with their groceries and medical aid. Ministry among street children. Every Sunday afternoon, around 40 children at Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus and around 30 children at Churchgate, the two main railway stations of Mumbai, are cared for. Once a year, the children are taken for an outing as well as given some clothes. They also learn new songs and are provided with a nutritious snack.
Mahima Children's Home. Among the more recent of Sahara's activities, a children's home called Mahima has been established. The focus of Mahima is to take under its wing children who have been abandoned by their parents or whose parents are terminally ill and cannot care for them, and provide them with love and guidance. Currently housing 6 boys, Mahima aims to integrate them into society instead of letting them fend for themselves on the streets. Children with different language and cultural backgrounds, they are now currently in school and excelling in their studies and in sports.
The Mahima home also plays host to a nursery called Mahima School. Here children who have never learned to read or write, coming from different language groups, are taught the basics of English before being sent to a regular school. Prison Ministry. Jesus came to give hope to those in prison. When everything seems bleak and bland, Sahara aims to be the salt and light in the inmates' lives. We reach out to all those who are within these walls. Apart from regular medical camps, we share with them moral and biblical stories, along with songs that give them a new hope for eternity. Sahara has also recently begun work in the remand home for children. A medical camp was held and about 500 children were given treatment for scabies. People affected by Hansen's disease. Every Sunday afternoon, we at Sahara provide lunch for around 30 lepers. Medical aid along with hospital visits are taken care of. Post lunch, there is a time of worship and prayer, after which there is a short teaching on the application of biblical values.
Alpha Academy. Alpha Academy had its humble beginnings as a play school in 1994. It has now grown to include a nursery, lower KG, higher KG, standard 1 and a standard 2. A maximum of 35 students are accommodated in any class so as to keep interaction between the teacher and the students optimal. Every Friday, the children have a day of skits and fun. Alpha Academy has students from across the economic divide. Most of the revenue earned by Sahara to run its activities comes from this school. Teachers Training. Sahara has an ongoing program wherein teachers from all the Balwadis receive a regular training. Adult Literacy. About 30 students attend this literacy program. The course teaches them the basics of English and Hindi, teaching them to read and write. School dropouts are encouraged to finish their education, and this course helps them with their studies.
Gujarat Earthquake Relief. In January 2001, a devastating earthquake hit the western state of Gujarat, causing immense damage. Sahara immediately tied up with another NGO, EFICO, to provide relief to the affected people. Sahara and EFICO then decided to reconstruct village administrative offices, Balwadis, as well as primary schools in 2 villages. When Jesus walked the earth, his heart was to lift the people out of suffering, to show them that all was not lost. He laughed and cried with them, cared and prayed for them. He lived his life with compassion and reached out and changed the lives of all those he met. We at Sahara Charitable Society endeavor to carry on this legacy.